Okay, so now this is what my OneDrive looks like on my laptop. As you can see right over here, I have hiking photos. These are all of those photos that I recently uploaded a moment ago. So from here, I'm just going to go to my Clipchamp, and now I'm ready to get started. Now we'll talk about this interface in a second, but if you're easily intimidated by these video programs, these video interfaces, don't worry. It's going to be really easy to create this slideshow. So if you want to upload videos that are already on your laptop, you can select import media, and it's going to look on your desktop's hard drive and bring content that way. But instead, what I'm going to do is to click this arrow right over here, and I am going to import that from OneDrive. Now, as you can see, if you have video files in different locations like Google Drive, Dropbox, or your Xbox account, you can also upload content that way. But in this case, I'm going to go to OneDrive, and I'm going to select my folder. In this case, that folder was hiking photos. And now we'll open hiking photos. I'm just going to select all of the photos that I want to bring into edit. I have quite a bit. I think I have like 20 or 25 photos, something like that. Let's see. I think I got them all. All right. All the photos are selected. So now I'm going to select the select button, and all of these will be loaded into my media asset area one at a time.